Imagine this. You're sipping a perfectly chilled glass of champagne in the first-class lounge, surrounded by plush seating and a soft glow of ambient lighting. Moments ago, you were lying on a sun-drenched beach at a 5-star resort, the kind of place you thought you'd never afford. What if I told you this world of luxury is within your reach? Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide. 10 travel hacks for experiencing luxury on a budget. Grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's unravel these secrets together. Hack number 1. Leverage credit card rewards wisely. Let me share a story. Meet Clara. She's an ordinary traveler, but her secret weapon, a premium travel credit card. By strategically using her card for everyday expenses, she racks up points faster than you can say bon voyage. Clara knows which cards offer the best sign-up bonuses and how to maximize them. Here's the kicker. Those points got her a round-trip business-class ticket to Bali, no extra cost. You can do this too. Look for cards that offer perks like free checked bags, priority boarding, or access to airport lounges. But remember, always pay off your balance in full to avoid interest charges. Why settle for coach when you can glide into first class with a little planning? Hack number 2. Travel during shoulder seasons. Picture this. Strolling through the cobblestone streets of Santorini without the hustle and bustle of peak season crowds. Shoulder seasons, those magical periods just before and after peak travel times, are your golden ticket to luxury. Hotels drop their prices, flights are cheaper, and you still get incredible weather. Last year, I visited the Amalfi Coast in October. The Mediterranean sun was still warm, but my wallet felt even warmer thanks to all the savings. You'll enjoy 5-star experiences at 3-star prices. Hack number 3. Use luxury home sharing platforms. Forget generic hotels. Platforms like Plum Guide or Third Home specialize in curating luxurious, one-of-a-kind stays that won't break the bank. Some even offer exchange programs where you trade your home for a stay in a luxurious property abroad. Imagine swapping your suburban home for a Parisian penthouse. It's not just a dream, it's a well-kept secret. Live like royalty without the royal expense. Hack number 4. Embrace flash sales and deal sites. Flash sales on sites like Secret Escapes or Luxury Escapes can transform your travel plans. These platforms offer exclusive deals on high-end hotels and experiences. Set up alerts and be ready to pounce. Sometimes these deals disappear within hours. Subscribe to airline newsletters for airfares. Yes, you could find a first-class ticket priced like economy. A little vigilance leads to big payoffs. Hack number 5. Luxury dining hacks. Who says luxury dining has to cost a fortune? Look for lunch specials or happy hour deals at high-end restaurants. Some Michelin-starred spots offer affordable prix-fixe menus during the day. I once enjoyed a 3-course meal at a renowned Tokyo restaurant for less than $50. Timing is everything. Indulge your taste buds without emptying your wallet. Hack number 6. Ask for upgrades. Politely. Here's a simple yet effective hack. Just ask. Whether you're at a hotel, renting a car, or flying, a polite request for an upgrade can work wonders. Mention if it's a special occasion, like a birthday or anniversary. A friend of mine scored a free suite upgrade in Dubai just by being charming. Sometimes all you need is the courage to ask. Hack number 7. Book through specialized travel agents. Specialized agents often have insider access to deals you'll never find online. They can bundle luxury accommodations, private tours, and business-class flights at discounted rates. Once, a travel agent secured me a luxury safari package in Kenya for half the usual cost. Their expertise saves you both time and money. Hack number 8. Travel hacking communities. Join travel hacking communities on platforms like Reddit or Facebook. Members share incredible tips from hidden discounts to stacking rewards programs. It was in one such group that I learned about mistake fares and snagged a $200 first-class ticket to Japan. Tap into a network of savvy travelers who want to help you succeed. Hack number 9. Stay loyal. To brands that reward you, loyalty pays literally. Whether it's hotel chains or airlines, joining loyalty programs unlocks perks like free nights, room upgrades, and exclusive access to luxury lounges. I've enjoyed countless free nights thanks to my hotel loyalty program. It's like a VIP club without the hefty dues. Consistency turns ordinary travel into extraordinary experiences. Hack number 10. Opt for free or discounted experiences. Luxury isn't just about where you stay. Many high-end resorts offer free activities like yoga classes, wine tastings, or guided tours. During a stay in the Maldives, I joined a complimentary snorkeling tour that felt like $1 million experience. Uncover hidden gems that don't cost a penny extra. The narrator in a stylish living room, addressing the camera directly. There you have it, fellow adventurers. 10 powerful hacks to unlock a world of luxury without breaking the bank. Traveling isn't just about destinations, it's about experiences that enrich your soul. If you found these tips valuable, don't keep them to yourself. Share this video, hit the like button, and subscribe for more game-changing travel advice. Remember, luxury is not about money, it's about knowing where to look. Until next time, happy travels!